Today, I'm excited to show you how you can create a dynamic talking head video using VExpress. This amazing tool combines three key elements: a reference image, an audio file, and VKP's images. By integrating these components, VExpress generates a lifelike and engaging talking head video. This can be used for various purposes like virtual assistants, educational content, personalized video messages, and much more. I'm excited to show you how it works. Let's dive in and watch the magic happen.
So you will need CMake to be installed in case you want to build dlib. Since dlib is a requirement, this step will fail if you don't have CMake installed. So first of all, you should check whether the CMake is installed or not. So open the command prompt and you can paste this CMake space hyphen hyphen help. If this information comes, it means that CMake is installed. If it is not installed, so before starting with any of these steps, first install CMake and then add it to the path. So recently there is a new update that was released on 15th of this month, after which the existing instructions are not working. So I'm just creating this video again with the new installation instruction steps. So navigate to the folder where you want to install. This time it's going to be much easier with fewer steps. So this is the first command that you have to execute to download the large file systems. So just paste this command and press enter. Once this step is completed, then go to the next step where we are going to clone the repository, this time from Hugging Face. Once the cloning is complete, navigate inside the cloned folder. Then we will create the virtual environment. Next, we will activate the virtual environment. Now it's time to install the requirements. First requirement is to install Torch with CUDA drivers. Next, we will install Xformers. So copy paste the command and press enter. Next step is to install some more dependencies. So copy this entire line and paste it here and press enter. Now the next step is to install Inside Face. So I have already included Inside Face wheel with the repository. So you can just copy paste this command and press enter. So the installation is completed. During launch, if you face any problem related to numpy package, in that case, copy this command and execute it in command prompt. Make sure the virtual environment is active. So downgrading the numpy version will fix this issue. So now it's time to launch the UI. We have this inside face wheel. We can safely delete it as it was already installed. Now type CMD in the address bar. First step is to activate the virtual environment. Next, to launch the radio app, type Python app.py. This will start the server. For demo, I'm going to use one image file, the dimension of which is 512 by 512, which is the recommended size. And then there is a small audio.
How are you? How are you?
So once the server is up and running, copy this URL and launch in browser. The first step we need to do is navigate to the output folder. If this folder does not exist, create one, then copy this URL and save the kps.pth file. So right click, save link as, provide the path, save this file. Now the interface, in the interface we have to provide the input image, then there is an input audio file, and if you want to copy the facial expressions, then you can also provide a reference video. Just understand this is requires a huge amount of VRAM, and here we can specify the output folder and file name. So if you are going to process multiple files, you can keep changing this name each time you process, so it will not override the existing file. So it's time to use it. So I'm going to navigate to input folder. The first input is the image file, so you can drag and drop here. Next is the audio file. Here, retargeting strategy, you can select fix face and then click on submit. Now let's wait for the process to finish. So the processing is now complete and it's time to check the output.
How are you? How are you?